In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo online using the Wix Logo Maker. This is a simple, beginner-friendly method that works completely online, and you don't need any design experience at all. Whether you're starting a new business, launching a website, or creating a brand for YouTube or social media, this tool makes logo creation fast and easy. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along and create your own professional-looking logo in just a few minutes. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to wixlogomaker.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Wix Logo Maker homepage, which is designed specifically to help you create logos online without installing any software. On the main screen, look for the button that says Create a Logo and click on it. Wix may ask you to sign in or create a free Wix account at this stage. You can sign in using your email, Google account, or other available options. This account is required so Wix can save your logo design and let you edit it later if needed. After signing in, Wix will guide you through a few simple questions. These questions help the logo maker understand your brand and style preferences. You may be asked to enter your business name and, optionally, a tagline. Go ahead and type in the name exactly how you want it to appear on your logo. Next, you'll be asked to select your industry. Choose the industry that best matches your business or project. This helps Wix suggest relevant logo styles and design elements. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the logo design stage. Here you have a couple of options. You can select from the templates suggested by Wix, which are automatically generated based on your answers, or you can customize everything manually. If you already have a file, such as an icon or graphic you want to include, you can upload it directly. If not, you can create a completely new logo from scratch using Wix's built-in tools. When choosing a template, click on any design that catches your eye. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first, because you can customize every part of it. Inside the editor, you can change the text, adjust the font style, modify colors, resize elements, and reposition icons. Take your time here and experiment with different combinations until the logo matches your brand identity. Wix provides a wide range of fonts and color palettes, so you have plenty of creative freedom. If you prefer to create a new logo instead of using a template, you can start with a blank design. From there, add text, icons, shapes, and colors manually. This option is great if you already have a clear vision of what you want your logo to look like. As you design, Wix will show you real-time previews, so you can instantly see how your logo looks on different backgrounds and layouts. Once you're happy with your logo design, review it carefully. Check spelling, alignment, and color consistency. When everything looks good, you can proceed to save your logo. Wix allows you to preview your logo for free, and you'll have options to download it in different formats depending on your needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a logo online using the Wix Logo Maker. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.